Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. J'apprends le français avec Vincent. And in this video, we'll discover together les participes passés qui finissent en IT. Okay, so the past participles that will end in IT. Remember that this final T is not pronounced. Okay, so the only thing that we'll have to pronounce will be this E letter. Okay, so we can start right now. Conduire, conduit. Okay, so remember final T not pronounced. Construire, construit. Cuire, cuit. So one more time. Conduire, conduit. Construire, construit. Cuire, cuit. Détruire, détruit. Dire, dit. Écrire, écrit. One more time. Détruire, détruit. Dire, dit. Écrire, écrit. Produire, produit. Traduire, traduit. And that's it. Okay, so one more time. Produire, produit. Traduire, traduit.